So today we are going to discuss about relational operator, double equal to and not equal to. Okay, learning to use equal and not equal relational operators in C programming. Okay, so first let us include standard input output header file, then void main. Okay, so declare student1 C program mark and student2 C program mark. Okay, let's give what is the student1 mark is scored in the C program. Okay, let us consider 45 he has scored out of 50, and student2 let's consider he has scored 42. Okay, so now if you want to check whether they are equal or not. Okay, so printf whether the student 1 mark and student 2 mark are equal. Okay, so we are going to just check whether using double equal sign we are going to check the equality of both the marks. So student 1 mark, is it equal to double equal to student 2 mark? Okay, if both are equal then it will print true. True means it will print 1. Okay, true means it will print 1. Okay, false if they are not equal, okay, then it will print 0 here. Okay, so when you use double equal, what will happen? The student 1 program mark double equal student 2 program mark we are checking. Whether both the marks are same or not we are checking. If both of them are equal, here it will print 1, otherwise it will print 0. Okay, so 1 for true value, okay, 0 for false value. So you can use operators, this relational operator or arithmetic operator in your printf statement also. Okay, so now let's see what is the output. Okay, so here whether the student 1 C program mark is it equal to student 2 C program mark we are checking. It's printing 0. 0 means what is that? It is false. Okay, they are not equal. Okay, so now let us see here they are not equal, it's telling. Okay, so now let's check with not equal sign here. I have changed double equal to not equal here. So student 1 C program mark, is it not equal to student 2 C program mark we are checking. Okay, if this statement, if it is true, if both the marks are not equal, then it will print 1, otherwise it will print 0. Okay, now let us see. Okay, student here we have to, or not equal we have to check. Okay, so Okay, whether student 1 program and student 2 program are not equal. It's telling yes, they are not equal. So it will print 1. Okay. So now let's change both the values. Okay, both are equal now, 45 and 45. Now we are checking student 1 and student 2. They have not scored same mark or not, we are checking. They have scored same mark now, right? I have edited here. So now what is the output it should print when I am checking not equal? It should print 0. Okay. So hope you have learnt about double equal for checking the values are same or not, and not equal for checking whether the values are not same or not. Thank you for watching this video.